Ano ba ang
Okay.
hinahanap mo
Okay.
sa isang talent bilang
Ang
isang
hina
coach?
ang hinahanap ko talaga ay syempre given na maganda yung mga boses. Sanay na sanay naman ang mga Pilipino sa mga kapwa Pilipino na magaling kumanta. Sanay sila sa mga biritera, sanay sila sa mga biritera. Parang kahit saan magpunta sa Pilipinas may magaling kumanta. So ang hinahanap ko, aside from that, which is parang normal na sa Pilipinas na magaling, naghanap ako ng charisma, yung talagang you will root for this artist. Di ba, marami mas magagaling sa kanya kumanta, pero pag siya yung nag-perform, may mararamdaman ka na something na it something certain that uplifts you or inspires you or basta tas unique din because I don't want to have another artist na meron na tayo before, parang ganun. So yun yung talagang true to. And syempre siguro third, which I don't know, hindi mo malalaman agad, pero gusto ko sana hardworking. Alam mo yun?
Mm.
Never late, andang makinig, pero still
Professional.
professional.
Ano ba yung sa tingin mo na gusto mong, well, as a seasoned performer, gusto mong i-impart sa kanila?
Unang-una talaga, gusto ko talaga ma-realize nila is, first of all, they should have fun. It's, wala siyang sense kung hindi mo siya na-enjoy. Walang sense gawin lahat ng ginagawa natin as performers kung hindi ka naman masaya sa ginagawa mo. So yun yung gusto ko talaga mag-gets na. Pero at the same time, they need to have the discipline and yung grit ba? Yung kumbaga, aside from the discipline na doing what it takes, meaning gawin, Parokya is always on time. We're always early. Even after 30 years of doing this, talaga our managers make it a point to, so yung mga small things na ganyan. And always, pag nag-rehearsals, alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Alam mo yun, it matters to me as an artist, parang ganun. Tapos, that's the discipline part. And yung pangalawa naman, yung grit, meaning, yung tipong hindi susuko but since they're having fun, they don't care if they fail because they're just having fun. So yun din, that's what happened with Parokya. Ang tagal namin before we made it big because we were just enjoying ourselves and we never gave up, parang ganun. And dahil ko sinasabi, if you give up on this dream, then it's not for you, parang ganyan. So kunyari may mga hindi matanggap or hindi natalo or whatever and they give up, tama lang na mag-give up ka na because this is not for you. Pero pag one failure doesn't, kumbaga hindi ka natinag, tama ba yun?
Natinag, oo.
Kumbaga tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin. And nagawa mo yung dream mo, then dapat lang kasi hindi ka nag-give up. But again, it's not for everyone. Sometimes kahit hindi ka nag-give up, minsan talaga nothing happens, but mas may chance yung hindi nag-give up kesa sa hindi nag-try.
Dito ba sa The Voice Generations or yung being a coach, may nakikitaan ka ng merong substance talaga at yung sa tingin mo, that person will make it in the business?
May mga napili na po ako na nakita ko may potential sila as performers. Pero again, kumbaga sa ligawan stage, nakita mo lang yung physical attraction pa lang yan.
Mm-hmm.
There's so much to know. Pagdating mo, mukha siyang basagulero, pero pag nakausap mo at nakatrabaho mo, doon mo malalaman ng ibang pala yung work ethic nito. Doon lang namin malalaman yun once we get the interactions there. So, that's a start. How they answer and how they address you, how you talk to them with respect. Do they answer with respect pabalik ba? Ganyan. So, yun yung mga medyo simula pa lang na pakiramdaman. Pero we'll get to know them more as we go, as we proceed with the show. And hopefully makikita ko talaga na galing nito talaga. It's so interesting